Ascend with us to the dizzying heights of towering wind turbines, witnessing the incredible courage and precision of the engineers and technicians who keep our renewable energy flowing. From daring maneuvers on the colossal blades to intricate work within the nacelle, every task requires immense skill and unwavering focus. Here, suspended hundreds of feet above the ground, these skilled professionals meticulously inspect and maintain the colossal blades, ensuring optimal performance and efficiency. It's a ballet of precision where human touch meets monumental engineering, all under the vast expanse of the sky. But the work isn't just external. The journey often begins deep within the turbine's core. Workers prepare for a unique ascent, navigating the confined spaces and specialized lifts that lead to the nacelle, the very brain of the turbine. Inside, a world of complex machinery and intricate systems await, each component vital to converting wind into clean electricity. From these unique vantage points, the world stretches out below, a testament to the immense scale of these structures and the vast wind farms that dot the landscape. Workers perform essential checks, securing hatches and ensuring every piece of equipment is in perfect order before daring to step out onto the turbine's exterior. Watch as brave technicians venture onto the hub and blades, sometimes lying flat to access critical areas. This specialized work, high above the ground, requires immense agility, courage, and precision. Their safety harnesses are their lifelines, ensuring they can perform their tasks in challenging and exposed conditions. Whether battling the chill of winter winds, as seen across snow-covered plains, or the warmth of summer sun, these teams are always at the ready. They meticulously apply their skills from detailed blade repairs like sanding and sealing to ensuring the structural integrity of the entire turbine. The ascent within the turbine tower itself is a feat of endurance and technological support. Specialized lifts or ladder systems carry the technicians hundreds of feet upwards, a silent vertical journey to their extreme workplace. Once inside the nacelle, the heart of the turbine, the sheer scale of the components is evident. Giant gearboxes, generators, and intricate control systems hum with potential energy. Each bolt, each connection, each sensor is carefully inspected and maintained by these experts. The journey to build these giants is equally monumental. Witness the incredible logistics in transporting enormous turbine sections, the tower pieces, the nacelles, the colossal blades through challenging terrains. Specialized trucks and a convoy of supporting vehicles navigate winding roads, a testament to the complex planning and coordination required. Then comes the assembly. Colossal cranes, themselves engineering marvels, carefully lift and position each massive component, piece by precise piece, building the towering structures against dramatic backdrops of misty mountains or clear blue skies. It's a symphony of heavy machinery and human collaboration. Across vast landscapes, these magnificent machines stand tall, rotating gracefully as they harness the invisible power of the wind. Each spinning blade represents a commitment to a sustainable future, a step towards cleaner air and a healthier planet. From the intricate tasks performed high above to the monumental logistics on the ground, the dedication of every individual in the wind energy sector is truly inspiring. These are the unsung heroes, transforming the very breath of our planet into the vital, clean energy that powers our world and lights up our lives.